Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about best websites to learn tech skills for side hustle. So first of all, we're gonna be looking at Codecademy. Codecademy is one of the, I'll say, kind of free. Some stuff are free, some stuff are not. Sorry. So Codecademy is actually it's a website for the courses, and you can get a bunch of courses, tech or anything else. Like over here it says, what do you want to learn about? You can do web development, you can do data science, computer science, web design, and much more. Artificial intelligence is a big category right now, and you can actually get a free course on like artificial intelligence on Codecademy, but I'm not sure if you can get a certificate with it. It says over here, machine learning AI engineer. You can get a course with it. It's actually a 50 hours like course. So it's a kind of a career path. It's a big thing actually. And you can learn about AI, learn how to use ChatGPT, and much more. The second website we're going to be looking at is Udemy. Udemy is one of the biggest websites for like courses, and you can sometimes get stuff for free. Same thing as Codecademy, sorry. And there's a lot, like all of these websites are like free, part of it free and part of it not. So Udemy is like giving courses, and courses of like mostly technology. As you see over here, we have people posting their making courses because like they have a teaching skills or something, and you can actually also be like these people and make courses on Udemy. If you want to get money, if you also have skills with technology that you want to share, maybe it's very good if you actually sell on Udemy. And you can get courses for, I'll say, programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and much more. Almost everything about technology you can get. Third website is going to be Coursera. So Coursera is much more as a free one, as now they're updating the website has new terms of service and agreements, and became more like not free. But I used to like get courses in there, and it was free, and I get a certificate with it. So like you can get certificates and you can get courses. So like over here, like Coursera, you can get project manager, or project manager is part of what's it called, a learning and a course. And you can get tech. So mostly you can get from companies like as you see over here. I'll give an example. Most popular certificates: Google Data Analytics. This is from Google. So if you would much rather have a certificate from a known company, not from a person only did it. So that's why some people love Coursera. It depends on the building skills that you have, of which course you want. So Google IT Support is actually very good, built towards a degree too. So that means you get a certificate with a degree, and you can pass or not. And you can learn popular certificate, new AI skills. As you see, time goes, time is moving on, and everything's changing. So most people are dependent on AI, and probably jobs are gonna change over time because of AI. And you can learn how to use it, and you can learn a lot of stuff. As you see over here, it says Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce. That's kind of one of the best certificates in my opinion to learn, and most of the stuff are about to make money. So that's it for the video. There's also much more websites that you can go to, like LinkedIn. Learn with LinkedIn. LinkedIn is actually very good. You get to make your profile, and it's more helpful for jobs, better for people getting jobs. So it's kind of like encouraging people to use it more, and it's recommended to use it because in future you can upload all of your certificates and all of your knowledge that you have and make it as a CV, and make LinkedIn as a CV when you can learn from it. And it's actually approved by a lot of people, and it's one of the best websites. So thank you everyone for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.